What are you doing?
I am writing a note.
Are you busy now?
Yes, a little busy.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you like tea?
No, I prefer coffee.
Who is your neighbor?
Mr. John is my neighbor.
Is this your phone?
No, it's my sister's phone.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim well.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Where is the shop?
It's across the street.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I feel happy.
What is your mother's name?
Her name is Anna.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
When do you study?
I study at night.
Who is your best teacher?
My best teacher is Ms. Rose.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Is it hot outside?
Yes, very hot.
Where is the station?
It is near the market.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play cricket.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Are you feeling tired?
Yes, a little tired.
Who is calling you?
My friend is calling me.
Do you know him?
Yes, I know him.
What is in the box?
Toys are in the box.
Did you go to the school today?
Yes, I went to school.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Where is your book?
It is on the bed.
Do you like summer?
No, I like winter.
Who is playing outside?
The children are playing.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Are you at home?
Yes, I am at home.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I like cartoons.
When is your holiday?
My holiday is on Sunday.
Who cooks food in your house?
My mother cooks food.
What color is your shirt?
My shirt is blue.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Is your bag heavy?
No, it is light.
Where do you sit in class?
I sit in the front row.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink milk.
Are you coming with me?
Yes, I am coming.
Who is your brother?
David is my brother.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go daily.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Is it raining?
No, the sky is clear.
Where is your pen?
It is on the desk.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I eat apples.
Who helps you in study?
My father helps me.
What is your school name?
My school name is City School.
Can you sing a song?
Yes, I can sing.
Are you watching TV?
No, I am reading.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
Do you write letters?
No, I send emails.
When do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
Who is your cousin?
Sarah is my cousin.
Is the book new?
Yes, it is new.
Do you like buses?
Yes, I travel by bus.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Are you feeling hot?
Yes, very hot.
Where is the lamp?
It is on the table.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like cats.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen.
Do you play piano?
No, I play guitar.
Is your father at home?
No, he is at work.
When is the dinner ready?
Dinner is ready at 9.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Are you learning now?
Yes, I am learning English.
Where do you buy clothes?
I buy from the mall.
You go to gym?
Yes, twice a week.
Who is your friend?
Ali is my friend.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is chess.
Are you walking now?
No, I am sitting.
What is on the wall?
A picture is on the wall.
Do you like fish?
Yes, I eat fish.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is cold.
Who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Messi.
Do you like books?
Yes, I love reading.
Where is your hat?
It is on the chair.
What is your favorite city?
My favorite city is London.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I am talking.
Who is coming today?
My uncle is coming.
Do you eat rice?
Yes, I eat rice daily.
Is this your house?
Yes, this is my house.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I like roses.
Where is the teacher?
She is in the office.
Are you online?
Yes, I am online.
What do you write with?
I write with a pen.
Who is at the gate?
A postman is at the gate.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I play cricket.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready.
Where is the park?
The park is behind the school.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like it.
What is your favorite car?
My favorite car is BMW.
Is the shop open?
Yes, it is open.
Who is your hero?
My father is my hero.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I enjoy rain.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Are you tired now?
No, I feel fresh.